In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Chrome in Windows quickly and safely using the official Google website. If you're setting up a new PC, switching browsers, or just want the fastest way to get Google Chrome installed, this tutorial will walk you through every step from start to finish. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open any browser that is already installed on your Windows PC. You can use Microsoft Edge or any other browser you already have available. Once the browser opens, click inside the search bar or address bar at the top of the window. This is where you can type in a website or a search term. Now type in Chrome Download PC and press Enter. This will bring up search results for Google Chrome. On the results page, look carefully for the official Chrome website. You want to make sure the link is from Google because that is the safest and reliable place to download the browser. Click the official Chrome website link. When the page opens, you should see the Chrome download page from Google. This page is designed to give you the latest version of Chrome for Windows. On the website, look for the button that says Download Chrome and click it. After clicking the download button, your browser may ask you to confirm the download. If that happens, just approve it and continue. The installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once the download finishes, you can open the installer file from your Downloads bar or from your Downloads folder. After that, Windows will begin installing Chrome automatically. Just follow any on-screen prompts if they appear, and within a short time, Google Chrome will be ready to use on your PC. That's it. You've now learned how to download Chrome in Windows using the official source. This is the easiest and safest way to get Chrome installed without confusing steps or risky third-party downloads. If this tutorial helped you out, please give this video a like, subscribe for more Windows and browser tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with the next step, like setting Chrome as your default browser or signing into your Google account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.